Welcome back. I hope that you guys are all starting to feel acquainted with the process, how things are going to go in this class and on Schoology, all that kind of stuff. Please let me know if you are still having trouble. It's okay. This is a learning curve for everyone. So please, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm not going to judge you or be mad at you. I'm just going to help you. So as you saw last week, this video was located in our weekly update and also in our folder, our session folder. So please just make sure that you are watching these videos. I try to keep them short and sweet. I don't give you any unnecessary information. And you are either accessing your materials through the link in the update or over here in fall semester. And it's just going to lead you right here. If you have not yet done, if you joined late or if you just weren't around for some reason during the first week, please, please, please make sure that you do the assignments in this folder. If you don't, I'm going to continue bothering you. These are really important assignments. They need to get done, especially syllabus survey and the parent tour. Please make sure you do those. The parent tour, I think a lot of people put that off because they're like, my parent is busy. Whoever I live with is busy. Please, it takes just a couple of minutes. This has you having your parent log in. If your parent just absolutely doesn't have time for that, then just show them your Schoology, okay? Where you get your grades, where you find your materials, all that kind of stuff. Please, please, please do not skip this. I want to make sure that parents are understanding exactly what they're looking at. So yes, if you have not done the orientation, please do it as soon as possible. We are going to be in Unit 1, Session 2 this week. So we got Unit 1, Session 2. And this week we're going to be reading more of Tests by Theodore Thomas. You'll see here that there's an optional community building discussion here. I'm going to throw those in every once in a while. They are optional. I will not count you down for not participating in them, but I will give you extra credit points for participating in them. So they're just for fun, just to hang out, get to know each other, that sort of thing. The biggest thing that we're going to be doing this week is reading an article that gives some strategies for reading through boring texts. You will read texts that you are not interested in, but you still have to read them. It's good to have some strategies. And then we're going to be reading through Test, all the way through Test by Theodore Thomas. You guys are going to be responding to some big idea questions and taking the Trusted Adult Survey. That means that you are going to be telling us who you're feeling like you have some sort of connection with as far as teachers go. You think they're nice. You could possibly see yourself having a good relationship with this teacher. If that hasn't happened for you yet, that's totally fine. There's an option for you there too. And then this Connect with Hirsch thing is going to be real important just to let me know how things are going so far. By the end of this week, you will have been here for 3 weeks. Please just let me know how things are going. Inside of school, outside of school is fine too. You don't have to tell me how things are going outside of school. I'm just letting you know that it's all good. Just so I can kind of get a temperature check for how things are going for you so far. So make sure that you let me know that. The very last thing I want to remind you about is our Zoom meeting on Wednesday at 10. Now, there's probably going to be some communication about this at some point, but our Southwest E-School and our Dolores students will not be able to join Zoom. So we may be switching the format over to Google, or we may just be saying, let's just reserve this for our full-time JVA students. It's going to require a Jeffco login from now on, just due to security reasons. So if you are affected by this, Southwest E-School students or Dolores students, we'll let you know what our plan is going to be. Other than that, please let me know if you have any questions and have a great week.